Righto, tell you there, champs, and welcome to the show. Now, there are RTX 3050s and there are RTX 3050s, and this one is the ROG Strix OC RTX 3050 Wolf. Now, yes, I am recovering from COVID, and I have so much stuff to come. I have 12th gen laptops. Yes, I have had them for a while, but yeah, the old COVID. But today I'm going to talk about this RTX 3050, and of course, being the Strix, it's going to be the best RTX 3050. It's going to be more expensive. What you get with Strix, of course, is you get the dual BIOS, so you have a quiet mode and a performance mode, which is pretty useless on a Strix because in performance mode it's quiet anyway. It's a 2.7 slotter. You don't get a fan header like you do with the higher end Strixes, but you do get the RGB. You get a higher power limit. We'll discuss that in the review. And this is the best of the best, the premium of the RTX 3050s. You've probably already decided whether you like the RTX 3050 or not. This is not what these videos are about. This is about if you want an RTX 3050 and you want the best one, well, this is the one. What you also get with this is, you know, 2 HDMI 2.1, so beautiful there, and of course some display ports there. And because it's Strix, it uses all the premium stuff, the premium cooler. It's going to be nice and cool and quiet, you know, Micron memory, Dr. Moss, all that sort of stuff, the power delivery there. Stay tuned for my full review on this. I will whack it on an eGPU, see how it performs on an ultrabook laptop, but I mainly want to concentrate on high refresh. Is this 3050 any good for high refresh, 1440p and 1080? Of course, we're probably going to have to use DLS to get there, but I want to test on high refresh. A lot of people didn't test that out. And we know it's a 1080p king, but can we go up to 1440p? What can we do there? But one thing I want to know from you guys is, do you want me to test it on the best system, 5950X, you know, 12th generation, 12900K, or like a, you know, more modest system? What do you want me to do? Let me know down there in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Tally ho.